ladies and gentlemen, hello FutureNet. I want to share with you today some very important informations for your successful start in the Futuro network. I know all of you are waiting for the start, and you know it will be on the 1st of February 2018. And now it's very important that you understand that what I want to share with you on the flip chart today, because when you take a look to the marketing plan, then you see you can make money only in that way when you are qualified. Qualified means in one way you must have your own starter package, and in the second you can be qualified for bronze, silver, gold, diamond, 1-star diamond, 2-star diamond, VIP. And let's speak about these qualifications with the mining package. What will happen, for example, when somebody in your team or even an absolutely new member sign up and buy a mining package before you? In this case, normally you would lose the commissions because you are not qualified, you can't make commissions. But we in FutureNet, we have over the years so many experience, and we especially almost 2 years ago when we start the first time a new project in FutureNet, that was FutureNet Pro, we made in this time the same solution like today, and I want to share that with you. So, ladies and gentlemen, on the 1st of February 2018 is the start of the Futuro network. This is that day. And now for the next 21 days, this is the 21st of February 2018. In these 3 weeks, it doesn't matter when you make your upgrade with your mining package. So you can make it in the first second, you can make it in the last second, it doesn't matter. But very important is that at the end of the 21st of February, you must have your mining package to be qualified for all these turnover in that 21 days. I give you an example. Somebody in your team makes an upgrade here, somebody in the team makes an upgrade here, somebody makes in your team makes an upgrade here, an upgrade here, an upgrade here, but you are not qualified. It is no problem, because anyway in this time we don't calculate any commissions, because we want to make that you are safe, that you don't lose any dollar, any cent. And one more time, very important is that you are qualified at the last second. Then we will close the computer for a couple of hours. Sorry. Then we will make the calculation for all these incomes from these 3 weeks. We will pay you the commission, and from that day you will get the commission like you know from FutureNet, FutureNet Pro in real time. Somebody makes an upgrade, you make immediately the commission. But for these 21 days, it's a little bit different. So be sure that you make your upgrade fast and soon as possible, because for 2 reasons. First of all, you show that to your team, yes, I am in Futuro Network too. And second is, you are safe. Done is done. Make it fast as possible, but don't worry, 3 weeks, 21 days is a long time, and we, ladies and gentlemen, we did that for you to make you safe. Okay, see you in the next trainings, and see you on the 1st of February in our free webinars. We have free webinars together with Roman in English, in German and in Polish. See you in that webinars, and see you in the next trainings. Bye bye.